Hey y'all, thank you for hanging with me. If you're new here, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's see what I got into these past few days. Can you guess what I'm making? I'm so obsessed. It's so good. One down, bunch to go. Let's see. So we're doing buffalo wings and dry wings. This is me today. Like, I literally have been bumming it, and my face looks swole because my body is swole because I've been overeating. I ain't even get dressed for today, but I was looking at these men's shorts. Where they at? Hold on. What shirt? Polo shirts. But yeah, nothing for me today. It was a very unproductive day. I'm about to crawl in the bed and call it a night. I'm gonna do some work at the store. It's Friday. Getting me a little workout in the pool. Hope y'all having a great day. And I hope y'all have a safe weekend. Don't have nothing planned. Tomorrow I might go visit my friend in the hospital. But outside of that, that's it. Getting a little drone time in. And then I'm going back in the house with the babies. Talk to y'all later. Yeah, Tampa is under a tropical storm watch. So, when I was about to go visit my friend this morning, because I told him I was going to come early. Actually, I texted him this afternoon, but he ain't respond until the storm started. So, it's not stopped now, but, you know, I guess it's supposed to be all weekend just to watch. But, got me a snook. That's why I can't get rid of this belly. Oh well. Hopefully, my future life partner enjoy this belly, because it's here. Let me show y'all what I got on today. Just a wife beater tucked under and joggers. This is it. This is the outfit. The OOTD. No watch or bracelet. But I do get on my chain, my key. Y'all know this got a bracelet to go with it. That the key unlock the bracelet. Because then put it on, it snaps into this hard lock. And then it's the key to get it off. I was gonna put it on, but I ain't feel like it because I ain't going nowhere. But, yep, it's a chill day, chill Saturday. I thought I was gonna go back to the pool, but it started raining. I am working on adding some clothes to the store. Check out the store. Can y'all believe it's August? It's August. Dang. It's back to school. I think a lot of the kids go back on the 12th. And fall is here. I need to start getting my fall wardrobe together. for the store. It's actually what I should be working on, but with me in Florida, you know, it's nice all year round, so. But yeah, well, mostly all year. We have a few days that get cool, but that's it. Check y'all out later. Happy birthday. Y'all, it's been storming out literally all day. Dream, let me eat. I need to take the dogs out for their last walk. It's 8 o'clock. And I can't even take them out. So I've been working all day. Working on some bags, y'all. Got some new bags in the store. I'm gonna insert a couple of them right here. But made a salad. I made a big salad. I did a sub in the tub for my friend. Ooh, my finger look bogus. It's finally healed, so I could go get my nail done next week. But I did the sub in the tub. That's halfway gone. Then I made a salad, a big salad, but that's for me to eat on. Cause I also made some greens. Like I made all these vegetables, but I made some greens and some leg quarters. Let me show you. And I used smoked turkey. And yep, I'm being lazy. Leg quarters in the air fryer. Had to flip them over. But yeah, that's it for me on this Sunday. What's today? The 4th or 5th? The 6th, my what is today? The 6th, my cafe opened back up. They had been closed since July 26th, I think. Or 29th, the 29th. They closed the 29th and reopened on the 6th or the 7th. Because they, one of them had surgery. I think I told y'all that. But I'll be back when they open the doors to check on them, see how everybody doing. Hopefully the surgery went well. Yeah, I've been getting little pieces of hair. I'm almost ready to cut these out. I just cannot hold a hairstyle. Happy birthday. I don't know why that's stuck in my hair. Oh, it's my cousin's birthday today. But yeah, that's it. The pooch is just laying around. It is storming so bad. Let me see if I can show y'all. It's a they call it a cyclone tropical storm. I don't know the name of it, but he throwing us some heavy rains. Like this ain't even nothing compared to has been. Like it would be, winds would be, you could feel like it's crazy. Like how it keep on happening. Like you could feel the winds. The rain is coming down sideways. And I slept good last night. I usually sleep to the rain thunderstorms on Alexa. And she came on, I cut her off because I wanted to hear like the winds and the rain hitting. You could hear it hitting the roof and the windows and everything. Like it was real nice. I was told me and Dream was having a competition snoring last night or this morning. Yeah, it was a good sleep. Like it'll slow down and then it'll pick right back up. Like I was able to take Dream and Max out, but Mia ain't going out there. But the minute it slow down, I'm gonna have to take her because she went to the bathroom. But my TV's so loud. This thing I left a mark. Hopefully it eventually go away. But yeah, let me get back to work. Ouch, Mia. And guess what? I just can't stop. I can't stop. I done threw some brownies in it. Yeah, this is my drug. And the crazy thing is, I'm not even a sweets person. I think I'm PMSing. Because I've been going crazy on this sugar. Oh my God. Happy Tuesday. My OOTD. Just some joggers and a wife beater. Something simple. Now let's go do some work. Honey vanilla yogurt, Greek yogurt, grapes, caramel, and whipped cream. Always eating.
I know you love fucking me. I can tell by the way you in love with me. You can't get enough of me, yeah. Well, I guess it's looking like you stuck with me, 'cause I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your street time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We begin